Hello and welcome to Beautiful Within. So as part of my Go Green series, today I'll be reviewing the Patanjali products or the Patanjali products. So Patanjali products have gained a lot of popularity and reputation in the recent times. They are manufactured by the Patanjali organization, which is run by Baba Ramdev, as we all know. He's a big yoga guru of India, and he has come up with certain natural and organic products which is claimed to be completely natural and organic in terms of skincare, bath and body. He has also got some breakfast cereals and biscuits and whatnot. There's a whole lot of range. So I thought I would review these products in my channel in front of you all. So let's get started. The first one that I have is Patanjali Kesh Kanti shampoo. This says बालों का टूटना झड़ना व रूखापन दूर करे, which means it removes the dryness, frizziness and hair fall. So this is the product that is currently there. Now just to tell you about the Patanjali products, they are extremely economical. Like the first thing that comes to my mind when I think of Patanjali is extremely economical. Like the soap costs for 13 bucks. Like how what can be cheaper than that? Secondly, they have a very good reputation of using only natural and organic products, even like they have a very huge reputation on that. Secondly, for the smaller quantity and the product, if you see the quality of the product versus the price, it is very value for money. And finally, I would say that given that it's completely natural and organic, it is definitely very effective also. So this is like my certain overview of the Patanjali products. Talking about the shampoo again, now this shampoo actually it either works for you or it does not work for you. I have read so many blogs on this shampoo, and people either love it or they do not like it. Like it works for them or does not work for them. Unfortunately, I am a person for whom it did not work too well. So I did not like this shampoo too much. It was actually causing me a lot of hair fall. I don't know why. So actually I used it like for a week or something, and after that I was not able to use it because it was causing a lot of hair fall. So for me this didn't work, but you know, I would definitely recommend you to try it once, because for people for whom it works, it really works wonders. So you should actually try it at least once. So this was the shampoo. Next I would be talking about the Patanjali body lotion. I would also be giving you like a small patch of it. This is the kind of consistency that it has. It has a pretty running consistency, so both oily and dry skin people can use this. This is for 60 bucks for 100 ml. Again, a very economical product. I really like the body lotion. The fragrance is also of a regular cream like kind of a fragrance. It's not very overpowering, and it's really a very good daily usage body lotion. So this has aloe vera, this has cucumber, this has kesar or saffron in it, so it has all the good ingredients also, and very fine on the skin, not a very heavy body lotion. So if you are a person who uses cocoa butter or shea butter kind of body lotions, you might not like it, but a very light, nice body lotion, especially good for summers and monsoons. So this was the second product. The third product that I have is Patanjali Neem and Tulsi face wash. Now this is a face wash which gently cleanses to remove dirt and oil. So because I have oily skin, Neem and Tulsi are the products which I mostly look for in a face wash, or tea tree of course. That range of products. So I use this and I would say that I would still stick to my favorite face wash, which is the Body Shop Tea Tree. Nobody has been able to deter me from using that as yet. I had high hopes from Patanjali, but any which ways. So this is a product, of course, it's a very good cleanser. It is also very cheap. I guess it's 40 bucks for this much of size, which is superb. I mean, I don't know how Patanjali gets so much economies of scale. Maybe it's just distribution network, or what is it? I mean, really, I want to study the Patanjali business model first of all. But well, coming to the face wash, this cleanses the oil and dirt. It's a very basic face wash, very similar to the basic lotion. The lotion is also a very basic lotion. This is also, if you need just a basic face wash, not too many like benefits or anything of that sort. It's not going to do like, it did not at least do big wonders to my skin, but it was a very good cleanser face wash. I'm still using it, and like at least it has not done anything bad to my skin, if it has not done too good kind of a thing to my skin. The fourth product is actually a holy grail for many. It is the aloe vera gel, Patanjali aloe vera gel. Now comparing it to the Khadi aloe vera gel that I have here, which is my current favorite, I would say both are very, very comparable in terms of price also, and in terms of benefits also, in terms of color also. Yeah. It's very comparable. Aloe vera gel any which ways has a lot of good properties, so you can use it in multiple at multiple times. You can use it as a cream, you can use it as a hair gel, you can use it in face mist, you can use it as a moisturizer. Like, there are so many uses for aloe vera gel. You can use it as an under eye cream also. So I really like the aloe vera gel. The Patanjali aloe vera gel is really, really nice. So in case like you are searching for an aloe vera gel, you can try anything between Khadi or Patanjali. I found them to be very, very similar in terms of benefits. The consistency is also pretty similar. Like, this is the consistency. It's a very clear gel-like consistency. Has no smell whatsoever, so that is also really great. And I like the Patanjali aloe vera gel. If not for anything else, you can actually go for this aloe vera gel for sure. And the fifth product, which is only a wrapper now, this is the Patanjali Haldi Chandan Kanti soap. This is actually my favorite product after the body lotion. I'm actually, this is only the wrapper, so I'm just smelling it. The smell is really, really nice. It really smells very, very natural, very much of chandan, of sandal. It smells almost like the Meister sandal soap, which is at least thrice the price of this. And I used it as a bathing soap in the summers, and irregularity in the skin was very, very well covered with this. So I really like the soaps also. They have a very wide range of soaps. They have neem and tulsi soap. They have like all sorts of soaps there. So I really like the soap. So this was my review of the Patanjali products. Do tell me how you liked the Patanjali products, if you've used any of them. It was a very highly requested video. That's why I started using the Patanjali products also. And I would say that I'm definitely not disappointed. Firstly, they're extremely, extremely economical, which is something that I really love about these products. Like, at this cost, if you're giving me these kind of benefits, it's all thumbs up. Like, you're never at loss buying a Patanjali product. So this was my review. Do tell me how you liked it. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you like watching more of these videos. And until next time, see you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.